Hey guys, welcome to a very close, sweaty shot of my face. How's it going? Today, I am sat with a cup of tea, my hot beverage of choice. So we all know what that means. I am going to be doing a Q&A. I'm going to be answering some of your questions. And if you're wondering why you are so close to my face, it is because I got contacted by a lovely brand called MEDILEEN. And they just emailed me and were like, yo Emma, do you want to try this MEDILEEN Black Mud Cleansing Balm Facial Cleanser for all skin type, a complex combination of natural finished mud and Thai herbs. Do you want to try this on camera and let us know what you think? And I said, yes, MEDILEEN, I do. That's what I'm going to do today. I am going to remove my makeup using the MEDILEEN Black Mud Cleansing Balm whilst answering some of your questions and letting you know what I think of it as we do that. Without further ado, let's get cracking. So this is what the packaging looks like. I really like it because I think it looks like an oil paint. Is it just me? Because of this cool little contraption-y, liddy type situation. Leave your skin clean, smooth and super fresh without stripping its surface with MEDILEEN's unique cleansing balm. The purifying cleansing balm uses a special combination of finished black mud called peat, what's up peat, Thai moringa, seed oil and cognac to cleanse your skin and remove all makeup. Use daily if you wear makeup every day and use twice a week for sustained rejuvenation. And this is what they want me to do. Apply a pea-sized amount of MEDILEEN's cleansing balm onto dry skin and massage in circular motions and avoid direct contact with eyes. I am going to remove my eye makeup first. Let me tie up my hair. I'm not going to lift up my arms because I have sweat patches. That was nice, huh? To be honest, I can't wait to take off my makeup because I hate how it looks. I'm gonna remove my eye makeup with a non-branded face wipe and answer some questions for you. Cheeky bit of self-promo. If you want to be in the next favorites video? If you want to be in my next Q&A, make sure you follow my Instagram. It is EmmasRectangle, same as it is here, and you can be in the next one. How is Tim now that he's finished uni? I think it's very sweet that the first question of all of the questions was about Tim and not about me. Tim actually hasn't finished uni. He was, this is nice. He is doing, sorry, there was a lot of snot just then. He's doing his joint masters. So he's got one more year, but obviously he is on summer at the moment. And he's good. He is working at the moment. He's got a job for the summer, which is great. Doing good. He is glad that last year is over and he's ready to face another year of chemistry. If you guys are wondering what Tim does, he studies chemistry. I'm gonna pull some really attractive faces through this video. He's doing really well. Thank you so much for asking. Jen Lambert says, how is your flat renovation coming along? It's actually going really, really well. I won't talk too much about it because I am obviously uploading the flat renovation vlogs. So the next one will come in like a week or so. Keep your eyes peeled. Alicia Victoria Jenkins asks, what piercings do you have and where do you get your jewelry from? I have got 13 piercings, which when you say it like that sounds ridiculous. I recently got 2 new ones. I got another helix piercing and I also got my conch done a few days ago. I have quite a few and I always say like, once I get this one, I'll be ready to do a piercings video, or like once I get that, I'm ready. I think I'm just about done now, so I'll try and get my piercings video filmed over the summer while I've got Tim to help me film it, so keep your eye out. Hopefully I'll be able to do that, but knowing me, I'll want to get another one before I film it. I also apologise if I am staring here the whole way through the video. Stupidly, I didn't bring a mirror, so I am just kind of eyeballing this. Time to try the MEDILEEN Black Mud Cleansing Balm. It says take a pea-sized amount. Oh, that's more than a pea. It was so much runnier than I was expecting. Oh, I just realised, how am I gonna hold my phone? Let's just rub it. It says onto dry skin. So I'm assuming like this. Oh, my hands are foundation-y. Can you see that? I've got a bowl of water next to me where I am rinsing my hands. Let's take a flannel and see. Ooh. Crikey. I was wearing a lot of makeup today. This is my makeshift sink. I'm getting water everywhere. I can see it now, my dad coming down. Why is there water on the floor? I'm working, Dad. My life is weird. Let's do the top half of my face and answer some more questions. That came off really easily and I actually really like the smell of this. It smells very fresh and clean and it feels like it's exfoliating. It's got a little bit of a grit to it, so it feels like it's exfoliating my skin and it feels really soft. Wow, okay, I'm excited. Antonio Denton asks, which of Tim's flatmates is your favourite? And I'm gonna have to say Alan, may he rest in peace. I.ndg, I'm gonna put a bit more cleanser on. Can you bring back the vlogs? I miss them. Now, the vlogs are kind of a bittersweet thing because I love filming them. I really love filming them, and vlogs are also my favourite videos to watch from other people. So for me, I'm like, yeah, I'd love to bring back the vlogs. Like, they're my favourite thing and I love watching them back because you get to see like, oh, what was I doing this time last year? Like, it's a really fun thing to document, but I feel like not many of you actually enjoy them. So obviously I'm vlogging the renovation and that's my kind of vlog at the moment. I started a vlog this week. I don't know, again, if this is up yet. Just because I was like, you know what, let's just try it, see how it goes down. So if you do enjoy my like just vlogging, doing whatever vlogs, then let me know down below and I'll start doing them more. If you see a vlog go up and you enjoy watching them, can you watch it and let me know whether or not you enjoy it? Because I don't know, and I always feel like it's just a bit of a waste of time and I'm like, I don't want to be posting things that you don't like, you know? So let me know. Lots of you are asking about a clothing line, like asking if I would ever bring one out. Honestly, I love clothes so much and I love fashion and I would love to do that, but I don't think I would ever bring out my own line. I think I would love to do like a capsule collection and I'd love to collaborate with a brand. I mean, I'd love to, but I don't think I ever will release my own brand of clothes. But I would love to collaborate with a brand on a line. That would be amazing. I'm doing another coat of this to kind of double cleanse. Like, I've taken off my makeup and now I'm like using it as a cleanser because it is so moisturizing. It feels really nice and I like having something to do with my hands when I talk to you. Hope you don't mind. Sarah Hurd says, would you ever consider being a model? Being like an Instagrammer is quite different to being a traditional model. Even though it is in some ways extremely similar and there's a lot of overlap, it is very different at the same time, and I like to have control over my pictures and how they're edited, like what filters we use and like which ones get chosen and stuff. And I have done this year a little bit of like modeling, nothing crazy, and it's mostly just like head shots. And for me already, I've just experienced like, you don't know which pictures they're always gonna pick. Like, sometimes you can have your own input and be like, oh, I like this one or I like this one, but that doesn't mean they're gonna choose that. Doing your own thing and posting on your own Instagram and stuff, you have total creative control over which picture gets chosen and how you get it edited and like what you do to it and where it goes. I think with modeling, as much I would love to do some sort of modeling, and I'm sure that maybe in the future I might get into something like that. Like, I'm not actually very good in front of the camera. People always ask me like how to get a good picture. And honestly, my only advice is just take loads and hope for the best. Tim takes all my pictures and he's so good and so patient. I'm always like, oh, they look terrible. And a lot of the time that's not him, it's me. I'm like, oh my God, these look awful. And he's like, oh, thanks. Oh my God, my face feels so clean. Oh my God, I hope all my makeup is off. If there was a brand that I really loved and I got approached and they'd like me to be a model for them or something, I would love to do it, but it's never something I ever thought I would do, or like, it's not something I've like ever strived to go into doing, but I would enjoy it, but it makes me very nervous. It's very different to what I'm used to. We interrupt this Q&A with another Q&A. Tim edition. Tim and I are going to apply this mud because...
Mud? It's called mud.
Yeah. Tim and I are going to put this on, and I went on the website and I read that you can wear it as like a treatment that you leave it on for like 1 to 2 minutes, kind of like a mask. So I thought that Tim and I would do that together. We would get another person's opinion on the product.
My most valued opinion on
skincare.
The whole, skincare in particular, but in general.
Tim's a pro, obviously.
Yeah. Me and Mud go way back.
And we thought we would answer some couple questions, eh?
Cool.
We haven't done one of these in a while.
No.
Rub it on. I thought you'd be like a valuable input, but I'm really questioning my choice. So bright. What do you think of the smell?
Smells kind of citrusy, lemony.
I think it smells like lemon drizzle cake.
Really?
Oh, it's so bright. Oh, this takes me back. We used to do face masks together all the time. I've done this before and it like sets almost like a mask. It's quite cool. So I think if you've got makeup on, you can also do this, but I probably would do it how I did it and then do this as like a secondary step. Like,
would it still work if you did it when you had makeup on?
No, you use it to take off your makeup.
Ah.
It's a cleansing balm, so it breaks down the makeup.
It's a bit easier rather than just like going in your face with those sandpaper towels that you use.
Face wipe. It's
much. It rubs so hard. It's awful.
It's much gentler for your skin and better for your skin.
It only takes a few minutes as well.
Yeah.
1 to 2 minutes, in fact.
If you could both have a superpower, which would you choose?
You go first.
I'd like to speak and write and understand every language.
I would like to live forever.
What?
No. Invulnerability. So I could never die.
Invulnerability?
Invulnerability. With an off switch so I can choose when I die, but nothing can kill me.
Jesus Christ. What's Tim's favourite song right now?
One of Chance the Rapper's new songs. He released 4 new songs.
Who asked who out and how did you do it?
Both times I asked you out. Since we've been going out this time, I asked you out. It was after the night out, wasn't it? I suppose. But we had like a conversation where I like said I like you, and you like reciprocated such liking. And I think I just asked you over. I was like, do you want to come over?
Do you want to come over, babe?
Come over.
Come to my place.
Yeah.
What is Tim's favourite part of Emma's body? Because my favourite part of Emma's body is the peach, apart from her face, of course.
I don't know how PG to be on this one.
It's fine. Say what you want.
These things.
Tim!
I like your eyes. I've said this before. They're just enormous.
My favourite thing about Tim is his smile. How do you deal with a long distance relationship when Tim is at uni? Any tips?
This is gonna sound like the most generic thing ever. Just like talk to each other every day. Just like, even if it's for 5 minutes, we just like watch stuff over, like watch movies and TV series while we're both on the phone together, so we can like talk about it as it goes and after, and just like chatting with each other and making sure you both know what's going on. It is difficult though, and we aren't long distance.
We aren't like far away from each other, so there's never that worry like when will we see each other, and my job is so portable that if I do need to go there I can just go there whenever, which is great. So we are in a very unique position, or I'm in a very unique position, that it's long distance but it's not. In the first year it was hard when I was working full time or employed by someone else, but now that I kind of make the rules, ooh, the sun, I can go and see him. But yeah, I think just communicate with each other all the time. Have as much time that you would normally make for each other if you were with each other, but then just add some more.
Yeah.
Because it's less quality time, but there's more of it. Question for Emma. Is your green scrunchie alive and well? I haven't seen that beaut in a while and I'm getting worried. I have some really sad news for you guys. The green scrunchie's elastic stretched and it's no longer usable. I know. So I've got a leopard print scrunchie in today, but the green scrunchie had to die a death, I'm afraid. I'm so sorry to all the green scrunchie fans out there. Anywho, Tim and I are gonna go wash our faces off. Tim will give you a review on how his face feels and let you know. Sorry about the lighting, it's been crazy. The sun is mad today. Does it feel nice?
It does.
It feels like really clean, but it doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel how it feels like, you know, when you exfoliate and your skin feels quite tight and quite dry. It's good because it's still really moisturising whilst being really cleansing. So, did you give it a thumbs up?
Double thumbs up.
Double thumbs up. Now that you've had Tim's expert opinion, back to me doing the same thing more.
Bye.
Bye. Noelia_T13 says, how are you so cool all the time? And honestly, I can say I'm not a very cool person. Like, you guys only see such short snippets and kind of configured parts of me. So like my Instagram is like the best bits and like me looking my best. It isn't how I am all the time, and in my videos, like, it's just, you know, again, it's edited, and like, if you ask my friends, I'm not as cool as I look on the internet. It's like a phrase that people say, and it's so true, because I say dumb things and like my jokes fall flat all the time, and I'm a completely normal person. So I'm not as cool as I may seem, but I'm really glad that you think I'm cool. That's really nice, thanks. Victoria Chic X says, how do you get more engagement on social media? Which is a question I get asked all the time, and I'm always flattered that people ask me that, because I'm not the most, like, I don't have the highest engagement, but for my, I guess for my size on Instagram, I do get quite a lot of likes and quite good engagement, and that is something, I'm doing another layer, why not? And that is something that I'm really proud of, because they don't seem like Instagram's hard work. I'm not saying it is, I just work really hard at it. Like, I love my Instagram and I really like to put effort in, and I do often find that my hard work starts to pay off. That's amazing to me. And the thing that I would say is that Instagram, just like YouTube, just like Twitter, is just another platform. And even though it's an aesthetically pleasing platform where everyone thinks everything needs to look perfect, I think what can really help is if you build some sort of relationship with the people who follow you. So, I mean, actually talk to them and like their comments and reply, and like ask them questions and stuff in the comments, and actually engage in a conversation with them. And they'll be much more likely, if they feel like they know you and they like you, they're much more likely to actually engage with you and continue to engage. I love chatting to people on my Instagram and asking you guys questions, and like, you always respond, and I love to read the responses, but also just put in that little bit extra effort with your pictures. Like, they don't have to be the most amazing edited photos. Like, it's not all about that. It is obviously important because Instagram is primarily aesthetic, like, there's no question about that, but there's a caption there for a reason, and there's a caption there for some more kind of less surface level content, if you know what I mean. That's my kind of advice. And also be active, like other people's things and make other people know that you do the same, and then they'll do the same for you, and just be an active member of the community, I guess, and hopefully other people will do the same for you. My face feels so clean, and I was so excited to take that makeup off, and that felt amazing. And also, I'm not gonna show you the water of the like rinsing that I just used. What? I'm not gonna show you the water from the bowl because it's a disgusting color, but this definitely did the job. So I really like this. My face feels very, very clean, very, very soft. It doesn't feel tight or kind of dry, like, which is something I struggle with because I've got really dry skin. It is not tested on animals, non-GMO ingredients, mineral oil free, paraben free, silicone free, fragrance free, alcohol free, colorant free. It's free of all the bad things, basically. So if you are looking to try a new cleanser, I really recommend that. It worked really well. My skin feels great. I now have to go to the gym. I really don't want to go, but I'm trying to get back into the fitness life, the fitness game. I took a long break there, but I'm getting back on it, And I'm also gonna go pop to the flat and film today's check-in. So look out for the next renovation vlog. Things are happening, it's exciting, I am buzzing. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching, as always, and I will link down below the MEDILEEN Black Mud Cleanser if you're interested in trying it. Thank you so much for working with me, MEDILEEN. You are the best, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye!